All right, day one of the bulldozer bed went pretty good. Got the top of the cab. I've got the bottom of the cab. I'll have to show you, but up here, this is what I'm creating. And then I've cut out that. So I did something a little different here. So essentially I'm just making the bookshelf front dozer shovel thingy, the tracks, which those tracks will flip open, and then the rest of that. What I've got going on here, I decided to put a stringer in the middle because I know my kid, he's a monkey. He's definitely going to be climbing on top of this thing and getting a little messed up. So I had some extra material. I have a 5-inch shelf. This will be at the back of the bed. So flipped over, that'll be against the wall. This will be the front. So this is where all the lights will go along. And here, what I've created were switch boxes. So there's some shelving for him to put all his treasures. This here will be multiple switches, maybe a push button for a little quiet horn. All of this will be powered by 12-volt DC so that he can't hurt himself if he chews on the wires. It's going to have a computer power supply underneath the bed in a protected box hooked up to one of those smart switches where I can tell what's her pickle, which I can't say her name, to turn it off when we put him to bed. So when we put him to bed, he can't flick all the switches and have a disco party while we're not watching. So this is going to be different gauges and little screens and just make it really fun. I will be furring this out. I'm going to have some trim sort of like that going all along here, and then I'll have some LED lights similar to that, but I've got a whole pile of that cheap stuff that you get online. So that'll be mounted facing to the top of the roof. So when this is painted white on the inside, it'll just have this ambient glow that'll go over top of this bed. So essentially it'll be lit from underneath, and then the light will come down onto his bed. Then I'm still gonna have the running lights, and then that's where I'm thinking about putting the spotlights. I don't want anything else there, but I do want to have underglow, you know, like Ricer Boy. But when he opens up this is gonna be hidden, it's gonna hinge, and he'll be able to see inside with all of his toys in there. Definitely gonna paint it. I definitely want it to look like a cat, so I'm gonna go with that. Again, this is day one. Before my kid gets home, he's just at grandma's. I think I'm going to glue and staple that up. So I'm gonna head on that. I may have some more, may have some time lapse. I'm gonna try and screw and glue. Thanks for watching.